The student profile really is the centre of TrackEd 3, and it's designed to bring all your information together into one place and present that in a very neat and tidy profile view that you can print or PDF or send or view. So just looking at this page, we're just going to go through the different options that are available. Now, with the profile page, all of these are broken up into the different year levels with a little bit of overlap between the different parts of schooling, and all of the options down below will change depending on the module that you've got selected. From there, we have the display options, which let you choose what shows up on the profile in the different sections. We've got the top segment, the middle segment, and the bottom segment. So you can decide what options you want to display and look through those or print them out or PDF them as well. We have the find options here. We'll have a video on these different find options that are available, but it's designed to get you a different found set. So we're looking at all of our Year 12s at the moment, but we could do a results search and bring that down to a smaller subset within that group. And we have the report options here as well. So each of those will work on the found set of students that you're displaying at the moment. Just below that pink line, we then have the student's name, and the student 1 of 30 shows you which student you're up to. You can then click through these students one at a time, and that's updating their name and all of their details depending on which one you're looking at. If you click the double-headed arrow, it'll jump to the end of that found set, and we'll work our way backwards as well. So this we call the utility bar, and we have the little one down the bottom here which we call the mini bar. So again, that's just exactly the same as the options above. We've got those green options there, the pink options here, and then we've got the left and right arrows. So this is especially useful on a small monitor. You're able to see down the bottom here when you're scrolled in which student you're up to, just looking at these little areas down here. Looking at the utilities above that, we have search options. Now this search option will look for a student's name within the current cohort. So within my Year 12s, if I search Bing, that will bring up one result. And so that's showing Chandler Bing within my Year 12s. Now when I search within any cohort, I'll search Bing again, I've actually got 2 Bings. And so it's found 2 students. It's telling me I've got 2 students here, and I can scroll just those 2 students. And if I hit this green button here, or the green text, it'll actually return my full found set for my Year 12s again. And I can navigate through all of those. The training mode here, when you click this, it'll bring up an information button next to each of these buttons. And for any of those, if you'd like more information, you just hit the information button. It'll bring up our support website with an article specifically about that button. Now to remove that, you just hit training mode again and it'll disappear. The support button here will just launch an email, and so that email there will have some information about the version that you're using, and you can just add whatever detail that you want support with, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Don't save. Now the preview mode here, if we go into preview, that'll actually show you what this page will look like when we print it. You can choose the bottom option down here, browse, to go back to that browse mode again. PDF, we've got a few different saved options for the PDFs and print and email scripts there. So we ask different questions on the way in to get that formatted the way that you want it to be. We have a manual find mode, and we've got a video on this as well, but basically anywhere there's a magnifying glass, you can type in a set of criteria. So maybe an exit year and a student ID or whatever it is that you're wanting to look for, press enter and it'll find and return those results. Press the find mode again to get back out of that. And we have an export option here with a few different export options that are predefined. Okay, that's a bit of an overview for the profile page. Next we're going to go into the display, find and report options in subsequent videos.